Place the Easy Apply tray on a flat surface with the pegs pointing up. Set your phone in the tray, making sure the top of your phone is at the end of the tray marked top. Now grab the screen protector. Peel away the protective backing using the tab marked number 1. Make sure the screen protector is facing down and do not touch the exposed surface. Place the invisible shield on the Easy Apply tray by fitting the cutouts on each tab over the corresponding pegs on the tray. The exposed adhesive side should be facing down towards the face of your phone screen. Then detach the top and bottom tabs from the installation tray. The invisible shield will install itself. Carefully peel away the top protective layer. Remove your phone from the Easy Apply tray. Finally, use the microfiber cloth to press out any microbubbles and wipe away any fingerprints, dust, or debris that may have accumulated in the installation process. Now you're protected by the #1 trusted brand in screen protection. Protect better.